In the first part of this video, I built the flywheel system. If you haven't seen that, please don't forget to check that out. I have a link for that in the description. Here, in the second part of this video, I will be making the mechanism that will push the darts into the flywheels. Originally, I wanted to make the feeding mechanism with a belt, but this isn't going to work smoothly. So, I thought of making this pusher rod that would be operated by a DC motor. The motor spins an arm in a clockwise direction to push and pull the rod back and forth, pushing the darts out, just like this. But it turned out to be kind of weak and is just not the right thing. And there's also another problem with it. Each ESC powers one motor, and both of them are going to be connected to the Arduino Uno. But one of them is going to power the Arduino. And they're going to be powered by the BEC. And you can only draw a maximum of 2 amps out of the BEC. And if I connect a motor to the Arduino Uno, it's going to draw around 3 to 5 amps, which is too much for the ESC's BEC, and it will just burn the ESC. That is why an electric feeding system will not really work unless I have a whole separate battery. And I don't want to do that. So, I will just be physically using the trigger to push the darts in. And that's what we're going to do. Let's get to building this awesome thing.